What if I told you most car paint damage happens during washing, not driving? Today, I'm revealing how the best car cleaning kit protects your shine and saves money long term. Welcome back to the channel. Let's upgrade your wash routine. Check the links in the description to grab the tools that truly make a difference. Product number 1, Chemical Guys Car Wash Kit 14-piece Arsenal Builder, with Foam Blaster, Wash Bucket. Most car paint damage doesn't come from accidents, it comes from washing it the wrong way. Cheap sponges. Harsh soaps. One bucket. That's how swirl marks are born. Now imagine opening the Chemical Guys Car Wash Kit 14-piece Arsenal Builder and realizing everything you need is finally in one box. Foam Blaster. Heavy-duty wash bucket. Plush microfiber towels. Applicators. And 16 ounces bottles of premium soaps, waxes, and cleaners. It connects straight to your garden hose, turning a basic driveway into a detailing bay. Here's the real problem buyers face: piecing together random products that don't work well together. This complete car detailing gift set eliminates that guesswork. The foam cannon lays down thick suds that lift grime safely. The microfiber towels reduce scratches. The included cleaners handle wheels, paint, and trim without drama. Compared to entry-level kits with just soap and a mitt, this feels more intentional and performance-driven. Downsides? It's pricier upfront and may feel excessive for someone who only washes monthly. Perfect for new car owners, weekend detailers, or anyone serious about preserving shine. Your driveway just became your car's favorite spa day. Product number 2, Chemical Guys 10-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit with Foam Gun, Bucket. Most people don't realize the average driveway wash leaves behind layers of grime that slowly dull your paint for years. That's the hidden damage. Here's the real struggle. You buy random soap, a cheap sponge, an old bucket. The result? Swirls, streaks, frustration. The Chemical Guys 10-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit changes that experience from messy guessing to controlled precision. This isn't just soap and tools tossed in a box. It's a complete system. Foam gun. Proper bucket. 3 16 ounces premium car care chemicals. Everything designed to work straight from your garden hose. The foam gun lays thick suds that cling and lift dirt safely. The wash mitt feels soft yet durable. The cleaners cut through brake dust and road film without stripping protection. For trucks, SUVs, or motorcycles, it adapts effortlessly. Is it perfect? The foam gun isn't as intense as a pressure washer cannon. But for homeowners without special equipment, it's practical and satisfying. Compared to budget kits with thin soap and flimsy tools, this setup feels intentional. If you want a structured, stress-free wash routine, this belongs in your garage. Because a clean car shouldn't feel like a gamble, it should feel like control in your hands. Product number 3, Armor All Car Wash Kit, includes car wash soap, wash mitt and microfiber towel. Most people damage their car's paint long before it ever fades from the sun. The real culprit? Cheap sponges and harsh soap. Let's fix that. When shoppers search for the best car cleaning kit, they're usually overwhelmed. Random towels. Weak soap. Tools that shed lint. The result? Swirl marks and frustration. The Armor All Car Wash Kit includes car wash soap, wash mitt and microfiber towel simplifies everything. First, the soap. It creates thick, slick suds that lift dirt instead of grinding it into the clear coat. That matters. Next, the wash mitt. Soft. Paint-friendly. It holds suds evenly, reducing micro scratches during every pass. Then the microfiber towel. Absorbent and streak-free. No chalky residue. No annoying lint trails. Compared to basic bucket and sponge sets, this feels purpose-built. However, it's not a full detailing system. There's no wheel brush or interior cleaner included. Who should buy it? Everyday drivers who want reliable, safe washing without building a massive detailing arsenal. Because a clean car shouldn't feel like a gamble, it should feel controlled, effortless, and rewarding every single time. Product number 4, Adams Polishes Essential Car Wash Kit, 14 item, Auto Detailing Car Care Cleaning Kit. Most people spend more time choosing car wax than they do choosing shampoo, and still end up with swirl marks. That's the frustration. You want a clean, glossy finish. But you don't want to guess which bottles actually work together. Or waste money on random supplies that sit untouched in the garage. The Adams Polishes Essential Car Wash Kit, 14 item, steps in like a well-organized detail bay in a box. Every piece has a purpose. From the pH-balanced shampoo to the plush microfiber towels, it feels coordinated, not cobbled together. Real-world difference? The foam lifts grime without stripping protection. The wheel cleaner cuts brake dust fast. The drying towel absorbs water without dragging dirt across paint. That means fewer micro scratches and more shine you can actually see under sunlight. Upside: quality chemicals, durable tools, and balanced value for a complete car cleaning kit. Downside: it's not the cheapest starter bundle. Compared to entry-level kits that skimp on towels and dilution ratios, this one feels intentional. Perfect for new car owners, weekend detailers, and parents who take pride in a spotless driveway. Because sometimes a clean car isn't about looks, it's about restoring that first drive feeling. Product number 5, Chemical Guy's Ultimate Scratch-Free Detailing Car Wash Bucket Kit with Accessories. Most swirl marks aren't caused on the road, they're created in your own driveway. That's the painful truth most car owners learn too late. Let's fix that. The Chemical Guy's Ultimate Scratch-Free Detailing Car Wash Bucket Kit with Accessories isn't just a bucket. It's a complete system designed to prevent the tiny mistakes that quietly ruin your paint. First, the real problem. People grab any old pail, a random sponge, and bargain soap. Dirt settles at the bottom. You dip again. Rub again. Those fine scratches? Self-inflicted. This kit changes the process. The dirt trap locks debris beneath the wash guard, keeping your mitt cleaner with every pass. The plush wash mitt glides instead of drags. The 16 ounces soap produces thick, lubricating foam that lifts grime safely, ideal for trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and even RVs. Compared to basic big box wash kits, this setup feels intentional, not improvised. Downside? It's not the cheapest option. And serious detailers may still want a second bucket for a 2-bucket method. Who should buy it? Anyone tired of dull paint after careful washes. A clean car should feel satisfying, not risky.